What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're gonna be installing KemiMoto's new lower door bags, which are right here. They actually sent them out to me to do a video on, try them out, let them know what I think about them. And the reason why I'm pretty stoked about it is because eventually when I get the radio and stuff installed in the X3, which the radio will go down below in there, I'm gonna build some door cards. This thing's not the cleanest right now, but I'm gonna build some door cards that kind of just essentially mount up here that I can put a speaker in. Door bags are sweet. If you've never used door bags in the past, they're not only great for more added storage to it, but like the accessibility to grab whatever's in there because it's right next to you. A lot of them have a pad to kind of protect your leg if you're hitting bumps or jumps or whatever. So they're super handy. I was kind of bummed because I wanted to run door bags, but my plan for this door card kind of put the whole kibosh on running door bags. I have ran them before in both of my razors I've had in the past, and actually one of the sets I believe was a KemiMoto set of door bags. Yeah, I ran their products in the past. I have their extended fender flares on here. The center storage bag is actually KemiMoto. Yeah, it's super cool. They sent them out to me to do a review on them, so we're gonna do that. Anyways, these door bags, from what I am seeing, mount down below in this panel, so I can still do the door card in the future and have the speaker mounted and then still get storage and stuff down below, which is sweet. So what I'm gonna do, I have the box right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, take the door bags out. I did watch a quick video that they had on the Amazon link that they want you to remove this whole lower door panel, which is probably the correct way to do it, but we're gonna try doing it without taking the panel off. We're just gonna try doing it with it on. So let's go ahead and open this box up. So it looks like you get some instructions here, some seasoning salts, just kidding, do not eat them. And then you get your left and right lower door bags. So this will be the left one, and this will be the right one. So from looking at this, it looks like it's just these Velcro straps that kind of wrap through and then hold it to the door brace. So like I said, I'm gonna try doing this without taking the whole door panel off and see how that goes. All right, so I looked at this a little bit more. That Velcro strap actually has to go between the plastic on the actual door itself and then this frame bar thing here. You will have to take this off. The cool thing about it is it's just 3 bolts that hold it on. You get your normal Torx bit, which is size is this thing, same one for all of them, T30, and then 10 mil nut on the bottom. Loosen them 3 up, this whole panel will drop down, and then you can put it on. Probably not ideal. All right, so probably what works best is go ahead and pop this frame up out of that slot. And then make sure you, before you tighten any of these all the way down, you got it lined up kind of where you want it, and then tighten it down afterwards. I'm just gonna throw this top one on, leave that a little loose, and then kind of, which that doesn't look bad there. Put all these other straps on. After you get all of them on, you get it centered where you want it. Go ahead, tighten them all down. Shove this one underneath. You pretty much just take this, shove it back down into its slot. And then after you get your bag in, go ahead and line these bolts back up. And tighten them all the way up. Just snug them up a little bit, so that way this thing doesn't come off. This back one's probably one of the easier ones to get to when after you have the bag on. Alright, and then take this one back off. Put your washer on, leave everything loose, shift this forwards, and then tighten the rest of it down. Before I have them fully snug, I'm gonna make sure the door shuts all right. It looks good. All right, as you can see, they're down low, kind of out of the way. Shut this. Which easy storage. I mean, it's pretty dark in here. I know it's probably hard to see anything, but it's not like they're interfering with your legs at all when you're sitting in here. But yeah, that's the KemiMoto lower door bags. Be nice just to kind of throw your phone in there. Whatever you really need to access pretty quick, your phone would definitely be nice. Maybe a walkie-talkie or something if you're riding with others. Because these, the only storage you have is here. Open the glove box up or down below, which this stuff is gonna bounce around or fly out when you're going through the trails. Like I said, I put this one in just for more storage, but that's not very quick access. Phone is usually in my pocket, which when you've got your harness on, it's kind of a pain to pull it out quick. But yeah, that's the door bags. If you guys like this video, definitely smash that thumbs up. It helps the channel out a lot, and it costs you literally nothing. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments section. I try to do my best to answer them. And if you guys enjoy X3 content or side-by-side content, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you turn on that bell so you don't miss notifications for every time I upload, because there's gonna be a ton of content in the future. Until next time, guys, I'm out.